So why exactly haven't you tried making boba, aka bubble tea, from scratch yet? I'm using a date syrup and reducing it down instead of sugar. All you need from there is some tapioca starch. Keep adding little bits at a time with the heat off until the dough starts to form. It's gonna be pretty sticky until then. Don't worry, if you add too much and it dries out, you can just add some more water. Knead this into a nice dough and then roll it out into a thin rope. From here, you're gonna roll these into pea-sized beads. The smaller the better because it's gonna expand a little bit as it cooks. Add them to some boiling water and let them cook for about 15 minutes. You can add a little bit of flavoring if you want, something like ginger. Depending on the sweetener you use, they'll start to look a little golden as they cook. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and cover them. This should cook them more thoroughly. After about another 15 minutes, rinse them off. Then you can add them to some of your leftover date syrup. I'm gonna leave them in there while they cool and as I prep the tea. Feel free to use anything you want. I'm using a Thai spice tea with no food coloring. Add as many as you want to your cup. I'm gonna add tea and I've got some homemade coconut milk. It's really that easy. Now you got some milk tea and some boba. I've got a few other ideas for this, so you should follow so that way you can stay notified